Assalamu alaikum students. So today we will discuss the key of the midterm exam of the BS nursing. The subject is anatomy, and so first question was lysosomes are produced by the correct answer was the Golgi operators. Okay. Then what structure contributes to cell cytoskeleton? So the correct answer was the microfilaments. Okay, so actin filament or actin filaments, ठीक है, या हो सकता था या फिर microfilaments. Then the primary purpose of stratification in the epithelial tissue is to increase the. So what is the purpose of stratification? Means layer, increase layer. We say that the epithelium is simple epithelium, stratified epithelium. So here is the epithelium is the so what is the purpose of stratification in the epithelium? It is to increase the protection. Contractile unit of muscle cell is sarcomere. Then which connective tissue cell type produces the ground substance in connective tissue? So these are the fibroblast cells. What are the large folds found in the small intestine called? So large folds in the small intestine, they are known as plica circularis. Rugae are present in the stomach. Horstrations are present in the large intestine, and villi and microvilli are the microscopic structures. So the large folds in the small intestine are the plica circularis. The microvilli found on the surface of the gut enterocytes help to increase what? So what is the function of microvilli? Basically, the question is asked, what is the function of microvilli? So the absorption of food is the correct answer. Then the mucosa of the digestive tract contains a lining epithelium, muscularis mucosae, and a third layer. So it is regarding the components of the mucosa. What are the components of the mucosa of the digestive tract? So the correct answer is the lamina propria. So mucosa consists of three layers: epithelium, lamina propria, and a layer of smooth muscle, which is known as muscularis mucosae. Then we have what do the parietal cells of the stomach secrete? So they secrete hydrochloric acid. Peyer's patches are the large aggregates of what? So what are Peyer's patches? These are large aggregates of lymphatic nodules, not the lymph nodes. Okay? These are aggregates of lymphatic nodules. So which of the following organ is deeply invaginated by visceral peritoneum? So which of the organ is covered by visceral peritoneum? So basically the question is, the organ is the stomach, not the pancreas. The student has labeled the pancreas, but not the pancreas, the stomach. Pancreas is retroperitoneal. Pyloric sphincter is due to thickening of middle circular layer of the muscularis externa. First part of the large intestine is the cecum. The folds present in the mucosa of small intestine serves the purpose of. So what is the purpose of folding of the mucosa of the small intestine? So absorption, to increase the surface area for absorption, to increase the absorption. Which layer of the heart is composed of cardiac muscle? So there are three layers of the wall of the heart: the endocardium, the myocardium, and the epicardium. So as the name is suggesting, myo always means muscles. So the cardiac muscles are present in the myocardium. At what level of the vascular tree does gas exchange occurs? So the correct answer is the capillaries. What is the brachial artery? It is a muscular artery. So you know different type of arteries: large arteries, elastic arteries, then the medium size muscular arteries, and then last is the smaller arteries, arterioles. So which of the following is a distinct structure found specifically in the liver, spleen and bone marrow? So in liver, spleen and bone marrow, sinusoidal capillaries are present. Which of the connective tissue, what is the connective tissue covering of a muscle fascicle? So muscle fascicle consists of bundles of muscle cells. So perimysium covers the muscle fascicle, bundle of muscle cells. What is actin? It is a microfilament. So right kidney is related anteriorly to duodenum. Which of the following cells the nucleus is absent? So in erythrocytes, nucleus is absent. So it is a very simple question, but most of the students got it wrong. So which of the following cells of the blood lacks the nucleus? That is the erythrocytes. Then we have the fibrous skeleton of the heart serves to give attachments to the muscles. Which one of the following is a type of end artery? So central artery of retina is the correct answer. Which plane of the body divides it into dorsal and ventral region? So dorsal and ventral region, so this coronal plane divides the body into dorsal and ventral region. Which of the following bones is included in the appendicular skeleton? So clavicle is the bone which is included in the appendicular skeleton. Liver is located in which of the following regions of the abdominal cavity? So liver is located in the left hypochondrium. Liver is located, in the right hypochondrium. So this is the correct answer. Then we have the which type of blood cells is primarily responsible for antibody production? So correct answer is lymphocyte. And then which of the white blood cell is primarily responsible for? So again this question is repeated. And which of the following is the main site of erythropoiesis in adults? So this is the red bone marrow, not the liver, not the spleen, not the thymus, not the kidney, red bone marrow. So I hope you have now understood. Thank you so much.